Okay. Now we're looking at L5 for question 3, which I think more of you should attempt it. Okay. Now is you realize that among the 5 questions there was no Pamui question. Okay, because we set it such a way that you can show your understanding of Pamui through question 2 and question 3. Okay, so question 3, source D has a very strong purpose. You can see that it is trying to get people to get away from BRI, which many of you who wrote the L3 answer were able to tell. Okay, why not move it further, use the Pamui method to consider even more things such that you reach the higher level. Okay, so how do I write it out? Well, first I answer the question I cannot trust. Why you cannot trust? Because it's not reliable. So why is it not reliable? Let's unpack it. Okay, first give me the Pamui. All right, what is the purpose? So this part in green is just the Pamui. Okay, what is the purpose of the source? All right, what is the purpose of the news website by publishing this 1 week before they sign the agreement? Okay, so it's probably trying to get ties to pressure the government, all right, to such that they will change their mind, they will not sign or whatever. How do they do it? They convince them that it is a law of harm or things like that. Okay, then you need to talk about which side they belong to, and whether they are being biased to achieve the purpose. Okay, so by right it should portray its country in a good light, and it will exaggerate the negative aspect of other countries. Okay, so that means they will not show that Thailand is being weak or Thailand is being stupid for wanting to sign BRI. They will probably portray, because it's their own country, they'll probably portray and blame it on other countries. Okay, so instead they may exaggerate the negative parts of other countries, which is what they did. Okay, so we found reasons why they would exaggerate the negative things about BRI. Okay, also we can see that in the source they are actually they did that, they exaggerate the negative parts, they only show the negative parts so that they will achieve the purpose. Okay, so some of you might want to write things like they do this to achieve the purpose, is fine. Okay, I used to write it, I don't know why I didn't write it this time. Okay, so then looking at both, we see that the blue and green part, there are reasons why they will not want to highlight the positive parts of BRI. They may be hiding the positive parts of BRI, they're not giving you the full picture. Okay, and hence it makes it a unreliable source that cannot be trusted. Okay, so I want all of you to try this in spite of correction, and try, don't be afraid of this logic.